Just a quick follow-up video on my last aquaponics video. Some of my methods are working really well and some aren't. This is all a bit of trial and error, so it's good to see what's working. That strawberry plant was pulled from the garden in a bad way. The original leaves have sort of gone dark green and browned off a bit, but there's new healthy looking leaves coming up. It has got a bit of a bug living on it. Not exactly sure what it is. Sort of black and parasitic looking. So I'll try and get rid of that in the next couple of days. This capsicum, I keep moving the lights up and he keeps chasing them. He's doing quite well. I've just made an attempt at fertilizing this by hand. So we'll see how that goes in the next couple of weeks. These lettuces, one of them are grown in pool noodle and one has a base of pool noodle with some rocks on top. Now I don't think I've put enough rocks in here because the water is sitting at the top of them and there's a bit of moss and a few little weedy plants growing in there. And I've noticed the leaves turning upside down and curling a lot. So I think that's a bit of a mistake. I think I need probably more rocks in there so it sits higher and can get a bit of oxygen. This one here on the other hand, he's sitting at the top on pool noodles, so he would be getting a lot of oxygen to the upper roots and the bottom will be in the water. And he's doing perfectly well. Now he's doing perfectly well. That's a cabbage. The original, you can see the original leaf that shot out there. When I first started this aquaponics, I had way too much nutrient in here. So everything, like you can see in the stem of this capsicum and the few lower leaves are quite droopy, but the stem is almost a dark purple colour. And yeah, a lot of the leaves on all these plants started drooping because I put in way too much nutrient. Yeah, I flushed all that out and I've put in fresh water and a far smaller amount of nutrient and everything seems to be doing a lot better. Okay, these here are rocket and they're not doing too well. Not 100% sure why. Again, possibly not enough pool noodle. I think they're sitting too low. Because I can see down to the roots and they're touching the water. There's not really any part of the root out of the water. That there, there was another cabbage. So I planted him at the same time as this one. Yeah, again, just trying different things. So I tried leaving him in the paper that I'd originally raised the seed in. And I also put rocks in there, but obviously not enough. As you can see, the water at the top of them. And clearly, he's not doing too well compared to his brother, who's doing really well. So like I said, it's been a bit of trial and error. I've got some more seedlings coming up at the moment. So I'll plant up a few more plants, and I've got some other pots ready to go. I'll probably move these around a bit, so that the bigger plants have a bit of room to spread. I'm just in the process of making a second box. And I've already added a couple more lights, and I'm about to add a couple more again. And obviously I'll add more as I add more boxes. But all in all, I'd call this a success. This lettuce is doing really well. And yeah, I don't think there's enough room in here to grow that cabbage to maturity, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, it's all a bit of an experiment, but some good things, some bad things, and I hope you've learned something. Cheers.